Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by verifying requirements and then creating the virtual machine. Make sure Virtualbox is up to date and your host supports 64-bit guests. Next, click New, pick Windows 7, 32, or 64, assign 24 GB RAM depending on your host, and set CPU to 1 or 2 cores. Once done, create a VDI disk with 2040 GB dynamically allocated and attach the Windows 7 ISO to the VM's optical drive so the installer can boot. You now install Windows 7. Start the VM and let the installer run. Choose Custom, Advanced to pick the virtual disk, format if needed, and complete regional and account setup. After the desktop appears, mount the Guest Editions ISO from the Virtualbox device's menu and run the installer inside Windows. This enables drivers, seamless mouse, and better resolution. Then configure networking. Use NAT for simplicity or bridged for LAN visibility. You finish by tuning settings. Increase video memory, enable 3D acceleration if needed, and add USB filters for device pass-through. Make a snapshot now so you can revert before applying Windows updates or installing complex software. If something goes wrong, like the VM won't boot or drivers fail, shut down, confirm VTX/AMDV is enabled in BIOS, adjust VM chipset to ICH9 or PX3, and reinstall Guest Editions. This resolves most driver and performance problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.